Hi, book friends. This book is called Good Night Book with Curious George. It's bedtime for George. Let's see what our curious little monkey is up to. I'll be reading 7 different bedtime stories. Are you ready? Okay. The first story is called A Curious Day for George. Good night, George. It's been a day of curious things and games to play. With all your friends, you've had your fun. Now night is falling. Day is done. You know what to do, little sleepyhead. You're a tired monkey, and it's time for bed. No more playing outside, George. Come on in. Are you sleepy yet? Are you sleepy, George? Oh, I think just a little. There goes George yawning. The second story is called George and His Toys. Good night, George. Open the door. Time to pick up the toys on the floor. Instead, you stop to play with blocks. Don't forget to watch the clock. Do you see the clock? It's right here. And what does it say? It says that it's 7 p.m. Time for bed, George. Are you sleepy yet, George? Oh, it doesn't look like it. He's hula hooping, playing with blocks. Time to put away your toys, George. Oh, this story is called Bubble Bath. Good night, George. Time to get clean in the sudsiest bath you've ever seen. Pour in the soap so bubbles will grow. Oh my, oh no, watch it overflow. Brush your teeth, see them shine. Head for bed, you look so fine. Oh, George is so clean. And a clean mouth too. Are you sleepy yet? Are you sleepy yet, George? You've had your bath. You've brushed your teeth. Oh, you're almost there. Now it's time for a bedtime story. Good night, George. Time for a look at your best loved big storybook. George and Jumpy sailed so high. Holding a kite, they crossed the sky. George's friend came right away. He took them home and saved the day. That's his favorite story. Are you sleepy yet, George? Are you sleepy? Are you tucked in, reading a book? Oh, this story is called Peekaboo, George. Good night, George. Time for a kiss and the bedtime game you never miss. Under the hat, cover your face. Aren't you fond of your hiding place? One last round of peekaboo. Now lift the hat and I see you. Okay, George. Another round or two. A little game of peekaboo before you go to bed, George. Oh, that's fun. Under the hat. Are you sleepy yet? Are you getting more tired? And now it's time for a lullaby. A lullaby for George. Good night, George. Hush, hush. The world gets ready for bed. A cooing pigeon tucks his head. A tiger-striped kitten curls up in a ball with a little dachshund asleep in the hall. A bushy-tailed squirrel is snug in his tree. Here is a lullaby from you, for you, from me. Hush, hush, little monkeys must close their eyes so they grow up to be curious and wise. Oh, what a beautiful lullaby from the man with the yellow hat. Are you sleepy yet, George? After a nice little lullaby? Oh, George is looking really sleepy now. And finally, curious dreams. Good night, George. Settle into bed. Time to rest that curious head. Close your eyes, good and tight. what stories will shine in your dreams tonight. Rest for the morning, a day bright and new, when a curious mind will find lots to do. Shh. George is sleeping. Finally, George has gone to bed. There he is. His eyes are closed. And what is George dreaming of? Do you know? Ooh, flying a rocket to space with his best friend. Oh, that is such a sweet dream, George. Okay, shh. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, George. And sweet dreams to you, book friend.